What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, what we talk about on this channel is making money online and also how to invest that money so that you can keep it in the long term. But this video right here is how to actually monetize your Instagram account and how to do so with Instagram Reels, because that is hugely powerful. So if you're interested in making money or keeping your money, make sure you're subscribed, ding that notification bell, and let's dive right into this video. So first of all, if you do not know what Instagram Reels are, let me explain really quick. So if you go to Instagram and you click on one of those videos that are going viral that you don't really know what it's about, then you'll be able to scroll down, and basically it's exactly like TikTok. It's just the same. It's just that Instagram realized that, TikTok was going crazy and people were loving it and they were kind of losing an audience, so they decided to do exactly the same thing as TikTok. So basically that's what it is. It's exactly the same thing as TikTok. So it makes the ability to push your videos out way more than if you were on typical Instagram videos or photos or whatever it may be, especially that they said that they weren't a photo sharing app anymore. So that's exactly what you have to do. So Instagram Reels basically has the power to actually go completely viral. So if you want to actually gain some followers and things like that, that is the way to do it. But in this video, I'm going to explain, one, how to do so, but also how to actually be able to make some money. So first of all, you will have to pick a niche. I don't care what it is, whether it's making money online, whether it's affiliate marketing, whether it's stocks, something like that, or whether you're doing sports or anything completely different. If you do makeup, do makeup. So basically you pick a niche. That's the very first thing that you have to do, and then you have to figure out a way to actually go viral in that niche. So how do you do that? Well, you go to Instagram Reels or you go to TikTok, because it's exactly the same thing, and you figure out what other people are doing, what makes them go viral and things like that. So the very first thing that you will have to be aware of is that you have to have a strong hook. So that's number one. Have a strong hook. That is something that you have to focus on in order to stop people from actually scrolling down, because that's what happens on TikTok and on YouTube Reels or on Instagram Reels. People just scroll down and that's it. So first of all, you have to have something that stops them from scrolling. Example, how you can make $10,000 a month without doing anything. Obviously that doesn't happen, but you get the idea. Or even how to get would you believe it's possible to make $10,000 a month? That's a strong hook. People are like, whoa, like he is actually going to teach me how to make $10,000 a month, or he's going to explain how to learn how to do $10,000 a month, something like that. So that's the hook. Then you want to have the story. Maybe it's going to be, in this example, something that's going to be without actually having a product, without dealing with clients, without shipping a product or anything like that. So that's going to be your story, and then your call to action. So your call to action can be several different things. One, it can be to follow you. That's going to be one thing, but I wouldn't suggest doing that. The other things that you can do is send them to your YouTube channel or your website, because Instagram Reels, just like TikTok, it doesn't have a hugely engaged audience. But if you go to YouTube, it's going to be way more of an engaged audience than you would if you were doing something completely different. So that's something, a call to action is something that you want to think of, or it can be to hit the link in your bio, and that works wonders as well. So what do you put in your bio? Well, first you could have your YouTube channel. I don't have my YouTube channel right now, but I'm going to explain what I have. But that's one way to do it. The next thing that you can do is actually do sponsored posts. So we're going to do that at the end of this video to tell you exactly what you should put in your bio. But then you want to have some sponsored post, or you could have some sponsored post. That's a great way to do it. If your videos get, 100,000 views, and that is 100% possible. My very first Instagram Reels, I got over 3,000 views. It doesn't really matter what kind of content you're putting out, but if you get 100,000 views on a regular occasion, which is possible, then you could actually be asking to get $2,000 per post. And then that would be wonderful because you just post something and then you could actually have a sponsored post. Now, if you have some other channels like TikTok, and you should have a TikTok, by the way, I'm going to explain a little bit about that. But if you have a TikTok account, a YouTube channel or something like that, you could also tell them that you could post it to that platform as well, and ask for a higher price. Obviously, you could even double that. So that's a great way to actually do it. Then you could sell your own product. Selling your own product is wonderful. If you have your product that you're actually selling, it could go higher and it could actually get a ton of views, a ton of traffic with that. So depending on what you actually have, what kind of product you have, it could be a great way to actually make some money. So then you could actually do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is my favorite way to do it because you don't actually have to create a product, you don't have to deal with clients, you don't have to do anything like that. And it has the power to make you millions of dollars, just like selling your own products or doing multiple sponsored posts. But affiliate marketing is way simpler. And especially if you're just starting out and you don't have a product, then affiliate marketing is the way to go, in my opinion. Now, there is a way to actually do this, and if you're not on TikTok, you should be on TikTok. That's the first thing. And there's a great way to actually convert your TikToks to Instagram Reels, and that is using something that's called Snaptik. I think it's snaptik.com or something like that, or .app. I'll put that link somewhere, or I'll put it up on the screen. But snaptik.app is actually something that's really good because YouTube doesn't, or Instagram doesn't like to have the TikTok watermark. That's something that they hate. They don't want to see that. And so there is a solution to actually get rid of it, and that is Snaptik. So you basically, what you do is you go to your TikTok account. Once you've created that content for YouTube or for Instagram Reels, you post it on TikTok, and then you say copy link. And then what's going to happen is you're going to copy that link, paste it in snaptik.app, and then you're going to save that. And when it's saved, it doesn't have the watermark, and you could just post it to Instagram Reels. There's not much work that you have to do apart from that. It takes you literally like 5 minutes, and you have it on TikTok and Instagram Reels. So if one goes viral on one platform, or it might flop on one platform, then the other platform might pick it up, and it has happened to me a bunch before. So it's a really good way to actually diversify your traffic without spending a ton of time thinking about different things that you can do. So if you actually want to grow, make money with Instagram Reels, you can also do the exact same thing with TikTok. So what you do, you put in your link in your bio. Well, you're going to do the same as TikTok, and that is depending on what you have. So if you're doing affiliate marketing, that is going to be your affiliate link, or most likely your sales funnel. So if you're unaware what a sales funnel is, I'll put that in the description because there's tons of ways that you can do that. And that is a playlist with affiliate marketing, so you'll be understanding a lot more about sales funnel and how to do it. I'll give you the products and things like that. So you can click that, and that will help you out. So basically, you're going to put your link to your sales funnel, whether it's affiliate marketing or selling your own products, because you want to capture people's emails. Now, if you're sending traffic to your YouTube channel or your website, your blog or whatever, then you can put directly the link to your YouTube channel or your blog, because you're creating more value for them, not just selling something. Obviously, with affiliate marketing and selling your own product, you are also giving away something, but you will be also selling something. So that's the way to do it. Now, most of my content on Instagram Reels and TikTok is going to be telling people to watch this YouTube channel, because I believe this is the future. But it's also a way to make money, because I make consistent money with TikTok, and that is the best way to do it, and obviously Instagram Reels. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you're subscribed. Watch that playlist on affiliate marketing, because it will be really a great help for you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.